welcome to your American Accent English training. My name is Alyssa, and today we are going to talk about the CH sound. The trickiest part of the CH sound is differentiating it between the SH sound. Now, we actually already talked about the SH sound in a previous lesson, so if you haven't watched it, I suggest that you do. And today we're going to talk about the CH sound. Now, the CH sound, in order to make it and make it sound different than the SH sound, the key is in your tongue. You have to position your tongue correctly or you will not be able to say the CH sound correctly. The CH sound is a combination of T and SH. T, if you remember, we make by putting the tongue at the top of the mouth and dropping it and forcing air through. Right? The SH sound, we put our lips forward and we force air through. Shh. Right? But when you make the SH sound, your tongue is lower in your mouth. When you make the CH sound, your tongue goes up as though you're going to make a T sound, and then you force the air out like you're going to make an SH sound. Sounds very confusing. Let me show you. T, 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 and sh, 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 together. T, sh, t, sh, 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 sh. Okay, so think about it in Spanish. You actually already say this sound when you say the word chico. It's not chico, that would be an SH sound. It's chico. So you're already doing it. Your tongue is sort of blocking the air from coming out. That's what produces the CH sound instead of the SH sound. So where your tongue is very important. Try it. Very good. Excellent. Okay, let's try a couple of words that begin with a CH. Now, some of these words, if you change the CH to an SH, it changes the meaning of the word. So we're going to talk about that and listen to the difference, okay? Here we go. Let's practice some words. Chicken. Shop. Now let's change that CH to an SH. It becomes shop. Chop. Repeat that. Shop. You hear the difference? It's two different words. Okay, here we go. Church. Say that one again. That one is very commonly mispronounced. Many people say church with a SH sound instead of two CH sounds. There's a CH sound at the beginning and at the end. Church. Church. Very good. Okay, here's another one. Choose. Now that's very, very different from the word shoes. Listen to that again. Choose. Repeat. Shoes. Excellent, very good. You hear the difference. Okay, here's another one. Cheap. Cheap is very different from the word sheep. Cheap, repeat. Sheep. Very good. Okay, here's another one. Cheese. Cheese is very different than she is. She's. So let's say that together. Cheese. She's. Okay. Here's another one. Chair. Excellent. Chair is very different than share. Chair. Repeat that. Share. Excellent. Are you hearing the difference between that CH and that SH sound? They're very different, right? Okay, now let's try the CH sound in the middle of words. Remember to put your lips forward, keep your tongue up, and force air out. Okay, here we go. Kitchen. Teacher. Now this is a tricky one. Lots of Spanish speakers end up saying t-shirt instead of teacher. They're two very different things, so let's listen to the difference. Teacher, repeat that. T-shirt. Teacher, t-shirt. Excellent. Okay, let's keep going. Inches. Peaches. Bleacher. Ketchup. Achieve. Furniture. Okay, now that's a tricky one too because there's no CH in it. That T-U-R at the end is a CH sound. Furniture. Okay, now let's try some words with CH at the end. Always remember when a word ends, in any sound that it ends in, you have to finish strong. We keep talking about that. Make sure you end the word correctly. So let's try these words with CH at the end. Here we go. Touch. March. Coach. Lunch. Match. Approach. Catch. Speech. Excellent. Very good. Okay. Now let's try a few sentences with the CH sound. Keep your tongue up and really force air through for all of these CH sounds. Here we go. My teacher told me to choose a chapter from my favorite book for our annual speech. I watched a cool children's movie during my lunch time. My coach advised me to not eat cheap cheeseburgers and to get a medical check. Okay, and the last CH sound, watch. Now this is very difficult because it's different than wash. Listen to those two sounds. Watch has a T in the middle of it, so your tongue goes all the way up and it stays up there when you make the ch sound. Watch. With wash, your tongue is down. Wash. Watch. Repeat. Wash. When I make the CH sound in watch, you will notice that it's a forceful sound. I'm pushing a lot of air out, and it's also short. Watch. When I make the SH sound in wash, it's longer and not as forceful. Wash. Watch. Wash. You hear that difference? You're doing an excellent job, okay? That's the CH sound. Wonderful. Keep doing it just like we talked about. Remember the position of your tongue and you will be fine.